Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime Prediction Tuesday 21 February 2023. Monday UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime door result number. Lunchtime result number 1, 18, 25, 29, 37, 40. Lunchtime bonus number 30. Teatime result number 25. 30, 36, 40, 44, 48. Lunchtime bonus number 3. 20 February UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime Prediction winning number. Number 18. Number 25. Number 36. Number 3. Today UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime calculation prediction number. Hi YouTube family, welcome to SB Prediction. Today Lunchtime and Teatime prediction number 1 to 9 3 number prediction. Number 2, 6 and 8. 10 to 19 3 number prediction. Number 13, 15 and 18. 20 to 29 3 number prediction. Number 22, 23 and 26. 30 to 39 3 number prediction. Number 30, 33 and 38. 40 to 49 3 number prediction. Number 44, number 47, number 49. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime prediction repeat 1 to 9 3 number prediction. 2, 6 and 8. 10 to 19 3 number prediction. 13, 15 and 18. 20 to 29 3 number prediction. 22, 23 and 26. 30 to 39 3 number prediction. 30, 33 and 38. 40 to 49 3 number prediction. 44, 47 and 49. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. Join this premium telegram channel SB Prediction, link in description and comment box. Today Lunchtime and Teatime onset single number prediction. Number 6, 15, 23, 33 and 44. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime onset single number prediction repeat 6, 15, 23, 33 and 44. Today UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime bonus number prediction. Number 2, 8, 18, number 26, number 30. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime bonus number prediction repeat 2, 8, 18, 26 and 30. UK49 Lunchtime and Teatime prediction complete. Like and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel. Good luck. See you soon next video. Bye bye.